In the previous video, you have learned Easy Selector for Modular Data Center Designer. In this video, you will learn the Modular Data Center Designer application, which is used to configure modular data center requirements. On the landing page, go to Modular Data Center Designer under Customized Solutions and click Start Here. Clicking on Start Here, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will find different options on the left side panel for the customer to choose accordingly. These options include IT racks, cooling, UPS, electrical, fire and security, and monitoring. Here, we can understand each section of the panel. On clicking the Start Here tab, you will land on this page, which opens up with the 2D model image of racks. This Modular Data Center Designer not only displays the options for the customer to choose for the solution, but also shows the different design to view the chosen options. Earlier, we have seen the 2D model, and this is the single line design, SLD, which is like flowchart representation. Similarly, Summary tab displays the products selected for configuration can be viewed here. This is a detailed version of all the products, which includes the quantity, model, and its description. And the Pricing tab takes you to the detailing pricing of each SKU. Each product description, along with the factory code and recommended price, is given here to maintain transparency. For 3D tab, several buttons are displayed as per their operation. Let's know about few important buttons briefly. On clicking Label icon, you will see the name of the parts included. The next tab is the Reset and View, where you can modify the requirements and view the solution with the updated version. You can access Zoom In and Zoom Out button to view the clear and detailed image of the solution. Clicking on this icon, which is Dimensions, displays the height and width of the solution, which will help the customer to place it at the appropriate place. With this button, it gives the view of the placement of the solution. For further usage, you can also download a PDF of the 3D using the last download button in the 3D canvas. Apart from having these wide options, you will also find a Reports tab. This tab reveals different types of reports in line with this solution. Click Reports to learn more about them. On clicking Reports tab, you will land onto this page, where 4 types of reports can be viewed. The first report, which we are talking about, is the BOQ report. This report displays the number of CRs utilized in the design solution listed in the Bill of Quantities reports. Similarly, the second report, Quote Report, displays the information on the CRs utilized in the design, as well as the pricing, are included in Quote Reports. The third report, Internal Quote Report, includes a technical summary of the design solution and the total costs of the design. The final report, Part Number Report, has the SKUs utilized in the design, as well as specific information about the parts. Download Documents tab helps you with the explanation of the equipment, which we have opted for the solution. And we need to note that this description does not include the pricing details. You can also navigate to technical specifications from this screen as well. On clicking the Technical Specifications tab, you will land onto this page. Here, you will find the same information that we have under Designer tool, but comparatively, the information requirement is less here. Additional comments are basically used for the directions to place the solutions, which is not mandatory and depends on the requirement. Click the Next button. On clicking the Next button, you will be directed to the next screen, where you can finish the solution. You will find the price of the solution on the top right-hand corner, which can also be hidden on a click. Once you are satisfied with the design, you can click Finish button. and the Finish button will direct you to Solution Overview page. The solution approval process begins from here onwards. With this, we have come to the end of this video. In this video, you learned about the Modular Data Center Designer application in Modular Data Center Designer. In the next video, you will learn about Request Custom Quote in Modular Data Center Designer.